This is the easy and hard way to create a blink effect in Premiere Pro. We'll start by creating a black video layer and placing it above your video clips. Cut it down so it's easier to work with. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Barn Doors Transition. Drag it onto the beginning of the black video layer. Shorten its duration like this. With it selected, change the direction to vertical and make sure to check Reverse. Next, apply the barn doors effect again, but this time to the end of your clip. Make it shorter like before, and again, set the direction to vertical. You should now have something like this. Select the black video layer, right-click, and choose Nest. Then search for Gaussian blur, and apply it to your nested layer. Increase the blurriness. This is what you should have now. If you want to make the blink faster, just right-click on it, go to Speed/Duration, and increase the speed. Now, if you want to make the blink curved, here's how. Create a black video layer and go to Opacity in the Effect Controls panel. Select the circular mask and stretch it out like this. Then invert it. Move your playhead a few seconds ahead and click the stopwatch for mask path. Now, close your mask so you can't see your video anymore. Don't worry, you don't have to be accurate yet. Move your playhead to the beginning of the layer and open the mask up. Increase the mask feather and make sure the black layer isn't visible in the corners. Now, click the stopwatch for mask feather and set a keyframe where your first keyframe is. Then, at your second keyframe, decrease the mask feather to 0. Zoom in and properly close the mask. Then, go ahead and copy your last two keyframes and paste them a few frames ahead. Next, copy your first keyframes and paste them at the end. You should now have something like this. And if you want to make it faster, just increase the layer's speed.